Hell, it's a 0.44-inch Hampton by Hawkins. Soundfare got Goodwill for $18. Think it's the first version. Cause it came with Hawkins 3 box. Which I didn't know they came out with Hawkins 3. I know they had Hawkins 2. I'm pretty sure it's a Hawkins 1. For change. This is the original that come with the one, so I put this crystal on because it matches. Actually looks good. Blades, they were disgusting. Let's get that pepper oat going on top. Tidy with the milks in there. And yeah. Let me put your acid right here. Pretty sure that's it. I'll find out once you turn on. See, I can figure out what situation and get you on my blocking the lights. Oh, and my friend's in this video too. Got anything to say?
This fan looks pretty dang neat.
Yeah, he likes this one.
Whenever I first came in, I thought the blades were actually metal. It matches the whole fucking fan.
No, it's
just made out of wood.
Workable wood. Turn the jelly off because it don't need milk right now. I guess you heard what I said. Low speed. And basically, this is shit. I could say why, but that's not really. This one's actually pretty quick for what it is. It's actually both decent amount of it too. It probably hums, but I don't hear him right now because there's a lot of shit going on. But homes don't bother me because it's never super cold in this house. If it was, it won't bother me. But no, in the bedroom, definitely won't bother me because at nighttime I sleep with many fans on. So I would never hear it. So, yeah. I listen to not very well. Sorry guys, this is going to be difficult. Sorry about that, y'all. Yeah, it's centered, I'm gonna say. I have it kind of far out so you guys could kind of see portraits, but I might zoom in now. So window, yeah, I'm bucking it light, so guys. It looks good there. Alright, here's well. Still fast well, but it does fall down. I can feel it. But no, only reason why I actually feel it. The fuck? That guy caught on camera. I posted boys and does in it. I don't know why I made some flicker that time. Did you hear him? Let's go pretty fast with me. Big tough is about to do cigarettes with just F1 better on him. Which that's a guy's, you know, watching lie. Like honestly. It's just as cold down here. I feel more in than you feel when you're high. I feel like, I don't know, I know it's one that works, but tell you something. When you're high, you know, and you small air, you just don't feel it. When you're cold, your senses see where for there for. It's high. There's probably a lot because it's on the wall, I think, but it's on box, so the husband's fully tight up there, so you can't all. It's blowing some wind, so until you hang enough milk. as you can see, those go really fast. I'm gonna get capacity guards, and I know it's probably what y'all thinking. Oh, I'll put 30-40 now. These are helpful. There's not people that put 30-40 in this shit. Put 30-40 now, and it's just fine. Oh, I should have started spin down. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna turn it off now. Pull it again. No, I'm not thinking. Like I pull it and turn back on and back off. I'm gonna some. No, I think most up. I'm sure someone bitching. So. I forget him. Right. What should I do if I do this? No, whatever. From when I first got it, I thought I was gonna find a whole bunch of screws for it. No, they're just showing the box with me on it, you know, which is good. You think nobody got time to spend on this type of fans? I think the white and matches really good in here. The walls and the artwork and the nickel shining over on the wall. That was why it was another video. I found some fan hurt this new roll up too. That's a look to my. What's one cover? Oh shit, it's stuffed. Is this stiff? Yeah, right there. Where it starts, right there. One moves that. It's not noisy. Yeah, not noisy. I don't know. It's with me. Alright. So I'm not gonna do anymore. I need some milk. That tastes so good. Sorry guys, I know. You don't want to see me doing that with shit. I hate when I'm like, oh shit, even this shit's all twisted up. Oh, spin. Very good gum. It's already fell in the door right here. It's been a minky gum. Let's go high, high, high. High, high, high. Yeah. I live for a great ways in the door. Sitting up the Spain gay fan. So, this is great shit, not too terrible. Actually, I tested the worst fans in my life. Like those Walmart hugger I had that's worse than this. The little 4x hollow breeze, how do you see it? That I had before I smashed, the one with the download super slow. Motion just looks sexy. Get sexy. I had this one low. Oh, stupid. Alright. Let's subscribe and peace out. Pussies.